Is false vacuum decay a doomsday scenario? Have you ever wondered if our universe is sitting on a ticking time bomb? The concept of false vacuum decay might sound like science fiction, but it's rooted in real physics. So, is false vacuum decay a doomsday scenario? Let's break it down. False vacuum decay comes from quantum field theory, which studies how particles and forces interact. Imagine a ball resting in a small dip on a hillside. It seems stable, but if nudged, it could roll down to a lower, more stable position. That's what a false vacuum is, an unstable state that appears stable but is not the lowest energy state possible. In our universe, if we are in a false vacuum state, it means the arrangement of quantum fields, particularly the Higgs field, is not at its lowest energy level. If the universe transitions to what is called a true vacuum, it would releases a massive amount of energy. This transition could start anywhere as a tiny bubble of true vacuum, expanding outward at nearly the speed of light. Inside this bubble, the laws of physics would change. Any matter or life as we know it would be destroyed. This process is known as bubble nucleation, and it would be catastrophic. However, the chances of this happening are extremely low. Current scientific measurements suggest that the universe is quite stable. The time it would take for such a decay to occur naturally is far longer than the current age of the universe, which is about 13.8 billion years. So, while the idea of false vacuum decay sounds dramatic, it is not something we need to worry about in our daily lives. For politicians, false vacuum decay is more of a theoretical issue than a practical one. It cannot be influenced by human actions or laws. This scenario often pops up in popular science discussions as a dramatic way the universe could end, but it does not requiring any specific political response. The main takeaway here is that while false vacuum decay is a fascinating topic, it does not pose a real or immediate threat to humanity. It serves as a reminder of how much we still have to learn about the universe and the importance of supporting scientific research. Politicians should focus on real-world challenges while also encouraging scientific inquiry to better understand our cosmos.